Confused about some unique 4th grade science projects for girls? Get your angel some interesting and fun ideas that spark a light in her science project. Listed below are some of the best project ideas that can help. Being a parent is like living your childhood again. Over the years, as your child grows and learns, you simultaneously witness being a child yourself, while religiously giving your best in his progress. The effort is the most when it comes to academics of the child. Well, projects are one part that most parents want to give the best in. So are you parenting a little girl musketeer, and is she mounting on the 4th grade this year? Are you stuck with ideas for her science project? If yes, you sure have all the reasons to go through this article. We sure don't encourage gender discrimination, but being a girl child, your little one will have her own distinct world of learning and development. So giving her a fresh stock of project ideas that will help her stand strong and unique in her class, along with keeping her cute girl charm, is the best you can help her with. We have simplified some interesting and creative ideas for 4th grade science projects. Your child will be able to learn and handle these projects with ease, and also learn simple and fun facts. Get ready to chalk down the best among the pool of projects below. Science projects for 4th graders. With a strong sense of observation and learning, your child will get a dash of enthusiasm if you read the qualities and interests she possesses. So an important thing to keep in mind when choosing a project is to make sure the idea complements your child's talent in some or the other way. Once she relates her special interest to the project, she will not only be more than excited about it, but will also make sure she gives it her best. The child may not be a geek, but you can make science interesting by a little homework on her pool of talent. We have categorized the ideas for science projects for girls studying in 4th grade according to the field or area of interest of your child. Choose from any of the given below ideas, and get going for a rocketing science project. Beauty-wise, she just might not be the one wanting to portray a solar panel or a serious math equation. Your little angel might be keen on all that makes beauty, that makes a girl. For hobbies and interests with pinks and curls, some interesting options are: how to remove gum from hair with home remedies. As kids, a lot of times gum getting stuck in the hair is something common. You can demonstrate your ideas on removing gum from hair with home remedies. You will need a small bunch of hair, and some gum. Now in different bowls you can have ingredients like baking soda, vinegar, peanut butter, mayonnaise, and oil. You can choose 2 or 3 options. Now leave the gum on the hair and rub each ingredient on the hair, and wait for a few minutes. Demonstrate how different ingredients can help in removing the gum from the hair easily. Make a note on how much time each requires and how each ingredient affects the gum. You may also try the topics mentioned below. What are the ingredients in basic cosmetics? Mention the difference in regular shampoo and an anti-dandruff shampoo. Study on the different types of fabrics and their properties. Little Einsteins for angels that race for sharp minds and geeky intellects. You cannot just hand over a photosynthesis or a germination project. Something that accentuates their sharp minds should be more deep and reasonably challenging, cause that's what will justify their talent. How a photograph is developed, how is a photo developed, is an interesting topic to make a project of. You will need to study the history of how photography emerged with the finding of light-sensitive material. You can study and explore on the mechanism of the camera, and also what are the different methods of developing photos. To add a few more grades, you can also have your own camera, and take a few pictures, and develop them. Some other interesting options are listed below. Study which planet can be a home for humans after Earth, and why. Demonstrate how a nitrate tablet affects different types of drinks that can affect speed. The mechanism of water power to produce energy. Nature lovers, girls who love nature and are amazed by its flora and fauna, or for those who make every little effort to go green, definitely deserve a greener pasture of science projects. This may also be a chance for your girl to demonstrate her wise thought on being a nature lover and an environment-conscious child. What are the causes of seasons? For nature lovers, Seasons make the most of admiration. You can choose this fun idea for your science project. You can study the 4 seasons: spring, summer, fall and winter. Study why does the weather change in each season and what are the changes. You can relate this to the distance of the Earth from the Sun, the temperature of the Earth affecting the seasons, and the changes that affect the duration of days and nights. You will need to study the causes and then make a hypothesis on the same. You can also add a few demonstrations to pep up your project. A few other ideas for projects are listed below. How is rainwater absorbed in different kinds of soil? Name the most endangered plants and the effect of their loss to the environment. The effects of global warming. The effects of acid rain on a certain type of plant. The most effective measures that can reduce the release of carbon in the environment. Solar energy and its various benefits. Animal lovers. Your child might just be the keen one with species and their complete orbit. You can sure bring your animal planet onto a socially wide platform. Some of the ideas for her science project are: choose an animal and describe its habitat and life cycle. This may be an adventurous idea. You will have to select an animal and study its entire history and its current lifestyle. You can research on its eating patterns, habitat, and other related aspects of the animal. Make a hypothesis with some interesting collages and pictures. Listed below are some other ideas to choose from. Most endangered species of animals, and their effects on the environmental pyramid. The effect of light and temperature on insects. Facts about fireflies. Do different birds prefer specific material that is used to make birdhouses? Miscellaneous. Along with these various ideas for 4th grade science projects, there are a few more to choose from. Which chewing gum has the most elasticity? What are the different materials that can be used for insulation? How do seeds react when germinated in different liquids? The difference between colored and white candles, and their rate of burning. The facts about permanent markers. Compare the greasiness in chips or fries with different brands, and justify the reason for the difference. Take help from your child to know what would interest her the most. I am sure, with project ideas that reflect your child's interest, there will be more than just grades that she will feel happy about.